What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. Your boy look a little different, right? Yeah, I'm letting it grow in, showing my age. But I got a little something for y'all. So check it out. Got a car show going on. Actually, it's like a cars and coffee kind of meetup. But we got some heavy hitters out here. So check it out. Bam. It's Christmas time. You know what I'm saying?
For what you're projecting.
Damn, you know that guy, right? This thing is a beast, man. Last time we saw this guy, didn't have the rear bumper on, but guess what?
Wow. Parking lot was completely. But there were a lot of idiots.
That's what they're talking about.
Yeah, man, it was good. Like, it's comfortable.
American racing wheel set that joke off.
Yeah, man. Man, Carlos came through with the GTR. This thing is always nice, bro. Always nice. Check out those wheels and tires. Those are fat tires, bro. Straight up. This thing is bad. And then, ooh, the Audi R8. Good gosh. This is the first time I'm seeing this one out here. The very first time I'm seeing this one out here. But I'm gonna have to tell this dude his inspection sticker is almost done. He got one more month. He got one more month. Sheesh. And now, let's get the other row, shall we? Little Nissan Z action. Sheesh. This thing is nasty, man. And that white, oh, sick, bro. I guess when you need to breathe, you need to breathe. God. God, sucking up all the air. This thing. Sheesh. I almost bought one of these, man.
I lost, man. You don't believe it? I lost something like this.
And we got my man out here. Sheesh. Look how clean this splitter is, man. I like that. And that silver and black. Oh. And that spoiler. Sheesh. Sheesh. It's clean. Mustang. Getting it in. I don't know. I still got love for the Mustangs. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. It's open. Oh. Yeah, man. Nice and snug on the inside. I still got love for the Mustangs, man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that monitor. Man, that screen is crazy. God. Bro. Oh, my gosh, bro. Then, sheesh. Look who's back. What the 765 LT up. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. This thing is gorgeous, man. One day, people. Then of course, got the 720S.
Look at them running.
Talking about price wise? Oh man, bro.
About 100 grand?
Keep going.
150?
Keep going.
200?
Keep going.
250?
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. You play prices right?
300?
All right. You about ballpark. Keep
About
going.
300,000?
Keep going.
350?
Okay, you about ballpark. You getting warm. You getting warm.
Yeah.
You getting warm, bro.
Still keep going?
You almost there.
375?
You about right. You about right. I'ma swing this way, my guy.
What year is that?
Man, I really do like the McLarens, man. I'm saying they are beautiful, man. That's some beautiful cars, bro. One day, player. One day. You got the BMW M3 sitting next to the Caddy. Oh gosh, that orange though, I'm digging that orange. And look at the wheels on this thing, boy. Yeah. Man. And what y'all think, man? Should I get this BMW 840? Y'all know I'm in the market for another car, right? Should I do it? I mean, it's only got like 29,000 miles on it. 45K, not too bad. I need a truck though. That's what I need a truck. I need a truck, dog. Hey, I'm thinking about it, man, but I need a truck.
Get your Raptor R.
Raptor R? Man.
You need an 840i.
840i, that's what I need, an 840i. You can't put no TV in the back of 840i. Can't put no 80-inch in back there.
You can haul around the family in this.
He said haul around the family like my kids little. My kids drive their own cars. It's only me and my lady in this, bro. Not hauling nobody. They better haul themselves, meet us there. It's like, no, y'all, I don't do that. Like if I gotta carry my kids and all them, well, my kids, my grandkids, they can roll with me. In my wife's car, they not getting in this. They better not get no crackers and cookies in that. We're gonna have to fight. And then, oh my gosh, this thing sitting out here so pretty. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. All in all, everybody, it's a good turnout. It is a good turnout. Man.
Listen to that. Listen to it first.
Got you, bro.
You had the Porsche?
Yeah.
I'm on my way there too.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are out. We are rolling. Heading up to Porsche in Shreveport. I'll check back with you in a minute.
Sometimes it could be kind of dangerous too, like in a wet situation when you're cold.
Oh, when they're loud too.
Uh-oh. Do I see another Corvette? Yes, sir. Looks like they have a, what is this, an LT2? 2LT, I'm sorry, 2LT. White with the red interior. This might be a 3. Oh, and it's a convertible. Oh, this is beautiful. I like this. I don't know about the all white though. I do. Oh, it's a 2LT. I was right. It's 2LT. 2LT. Oh, this is nicely. This is decked out. This is decked out. Yeah, I like that. I still don't know about the white though. Definitely not from Louisiana. I can tell by where the inspection sticker used to be. It's probably Texas. Oh, look at this RS7. I like this color. Oh, and check out the wheels. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. My man just bought his Porsche, and I guess they kicked the code when he pulled out, so they had to take it around back. Check it out, but this is beautiful, man. Check out this aero kit on this thing. This is beautiful.